Now that and hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of I don't even know what I'm going to call this series, honestly, but I would really like to, call it something along the lines of bad unboxing. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. Well, I firstly want to preface this video by saying no longer do I have to stack my camera with my gimbal on the laundry basket and various other boxes, because we've finally picked up a very nice tripod here. But today, this is not the subject of the video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the R75 Pro. You can right now get this for 20% off, and this right here is probably the best keyboard that you can buy, gaming keyboard, work keyboard that you can buy on Amazon from Royal Kludge, which is like impeccable right out of the box. I may have cheated a little bit, and I may have opened it and tested it out just to make sure that I actually wanted to, review this product. As you can see, we have this beautiful like matte box. It's really nice to the touch. We're gonna go ahead and open it up here in a second. But first, I just want to say we've got this little little sticker here that we're gonna go ahead and read, because that's something that I like to skip over. I don't really like to read stuff when I'm making videos, which is kind of a mistake. So this is the model R75 Pro. The switch is a cream switch. It doesn't say what kind of switch it is. Now, if you don't know what a switch is, it's the piece that's under the keycap that actually performs the push down function, and that's what allows you to type. It's what puts the letters and the numbers on your computer when you press a key down. So you've got the little backlights behind the keycaps and all that. It says it's hot swap, which means that you can pull the keycaps off, you can pull the switches out and replace them with other switches. As you can see back here, my chair's a little too close to the table, so I'm kind of goofing it up a little bit. But we've got all these back here as well. If you can see them, those are all switches that you can swap out, and they make keyboards sound different. But for an all-in-one keyboard, I think that this is the ultimate solution here. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into the box here. You can check out the link in the description to pick this keyboard up right now for 20% off. 20% off, and they do super fast shipping, and you can, if you're in need of a new keyboard, I think that this is your solution. Now, the box does look a little questionably flamboyant. Now, this keyboard in specific comes in 2 color variants. So let's go ahead and open this guy up real quick. Oh, take a look at that. Right off the bat, we're met with a little paper here that goes over everything in the keyboard. Take a look at that. Yep. Look at that. Luckily, this one comes in English and Chinese. We're gonna save this for later. We're gonna go ahead and check that out. I thought that it was actually wired, but it's actually wireless. So it's even better. Now, if you're sitting with like a Razer Black Widow from like 2012, the Razer Black Widow is almost $45 more than this. Yes, believe it or not, than this. So we're also met with this little plastic covering that covers the keyboard, and we've got this really nice textured bag here. A very high quality box. There's, again, no tape, which is something that I really like. We just got these little pull tabs. So we're gonna go ahead and take the subject of today's video out of the box, and we're gonna place it right here. What else do we have in the box? Well, we've got a keycap puller and a switch puller, a very versatile tool here. This is actually what you can use to pull the keycaps off and the switches out at the same time. So it's great. It's fantastic. We'll go ahead and throw the trash over there. Then we also have the charging cable. Now this charging cable isn't all too high quality. The other USB-C charging cables that I have for my other keyboards, they're braided, but this one's just, like a rubbery kind of texture. But there it is. We got USB-C to USB 2 type charger right there. We do have another keycap that says end. I guess it's just an extra keycap, I suppose. And what else do we got? We've got, of course, the silica packet. You always want to eat these. That's, something that we do. And then we have some extra switches. So these are what I was talking about in the beginning. These are the switches that go underneath the keycaps. So there is the entire box. Now this box is done for here. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss that off the. I'm not actually too sure what this is. It's like a little triangular disc. It almost looks like a guitar pick. It's time for the moment that you all have been waiting for. It's time for a little bit of a money shot. So let's go ahead and plastic here. It's a very solid plastic, but the texture is so nice. I mean, just listen to that. Oh, that's great. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of that trash as well. To a different kind of layout here so that you guys can get more of a top-down view. You'll have to excuse the dandruff on my little tablecloth here. There's a bunch of other like hotkeys here. Custom backlight sets. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some researching here, but apparently you can do like custom backlighting. Backlight mode switch. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the brightness up, and then if you press this little slash here, backslash, that's gonna go through the different lighting modes. Very cool. Now it's not, you know, too crazy customizable, but if you like your RGB and your backlight, there you go. And you can obviously change the mode here. It's time for the sound test. We're gonna put our little windscreen on the wireless microphone. Here we go. This is the sound test. So we've got our sound right there. Let's go ahead and give it a try. You ready? You ready for this? Now this is straight out of the box, mind you. Nothing has been swapped. Here we go. So that has been the official Cruiser Media review of the RK R75 Pro. Once again, 60 bucks, 20% off right now. Go to the link in the description below if you are in need of a new keyboard or you just want one to add to your collection. This is perfect. So, there we go. Bada bing, bada boom. It's the perfect solution. If you're gaming, if you're working, if you're editing, this keyboard is for you. I hope that you found this video helpful. Help me make a couple bucks. Click that link in the description below. Grab yourself one. There's another green and white variant of this keyboard itself. You can get it quickly. You could get it tomorrow if you ordered today. So why not? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, check this guy out. If you're feeling generous today, hit that subscribe button for more badass content, more unboxings, more reviews, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.